Welcome to our review of the Joovy Nook NB High Chair in Pink Crush, featuring a reclining seat. This versatile chair includes front wheels to help you move it around your kitchen with total ease. The one-handed swing open tray makes it incredibly simple to seat your child before every mealtime. You will appreciate the dishwasher-safe tray insert and the machine-washable leatherette seat material. This chair grows with your baby up to 50 pounds using 4 depth adjustments and a harness. When dinner is over, the unit folds down completely flat for compact storage in small spaces. This stylish high chair makes every family mealtime simple and easy for your growing little one. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.